Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into something every internet user should know: how to stay anonymous online using Kali Linux. To do this, we'll be using two powerful tools, Tor and ProxyChains. Let's break it down. Tor routes your browsing traffic through a network of multiple nodes. Each time your data passes through a node, it's encrypted and decrypted, keeping your real identity hidden. The final exit node is what connects to the actual internet, so your real location is completely masked. Now let's talk about proxy chains. Proxy chains reroutes your internet traffic through several proxy servers. This hides your real IP address, and the website you're visiting only sees the IP of the last proxy in the chain. This process is called chaining, where proxies are connected one after another. It's perfect for anonymous browsing, accessing blocked websites, or securely testing networks. Let's begin with setting up anonymous browsing on Kali Linux using Tor and ProxyChains. First, open your terminal. To install Tor, run the following command: apt install Tor. Once Tor is installed, we need to install ProxyChains. Use this command: apt install ProxyChains. Now that ProxyChains is installed, it's time to configure it. Open the configuration file using sudo space nanospace /etc/proxychains.conf. Once the file is open, you'll need to make a few changes for proper setup. First, enable dynamic chain by removing the hash from that line. Then, disable strict chain by adding a hash symbol at the beginning of the line. This enables dynamic chaining of proxies, allowing proxy chains to automatically move to the next proxy if one fails. All right, friends, now scroll down to the end of the file. Right here, you'll need to add this line: sox5, then localhost 1, 27.0.01, and port number 9050. Make sure it stays exactly the same, just like the sox4 entry above. And just like sox, you can also use an HTTP proxy here if needed. Once that's done, go ahead and save the file. Press Ctrl+X, then Y, and hit Enter. And that's it, friends. Our ProxyChains configuration is now complete. Next, start the Tor service by running service Tor start. Now it's time to verify that your IP address has changed. Launch Firefox using ProxyChains with the following command: ProxyChains Firefox. Once the browser opens, search for "What is my IP?" Now that we've configured everything correctly, our IP has been successfully changed. If you check your connection, you'll see that your IP address and location appear somewhere else in the US, effectively hiding your real identity and location. This confirms you're now browsing anonymously through a secure proxy network, protecting your privacy on the internet.